To slightly cook the garlic with butter.
Okay.
Make sure you don't burn the garlic.
Okay.
Okay.
Chopped garlic.
Yes. Curry. Okay. So the garlic can cook and not burn. It's still what? Milk is 900 and 900 and 900 grams.
900 liters or grams.
900 mils.
Okay.
900 mils. So which is half of this.
Okay.
This one is 100 grams parmesan.
100
100 grams
parmesan.
parmesan cheese.
Philadelphia.
Yeah. Philadelphia cheese,
500.
450 for this half.
Okay.
It's nutmeg.
Just a tip.
Nutmeg.
Yes.
Okay?
Just a tip.
So we're gonna add just a pinch. Okay.
Okay.
Pinch. Okay.
No.
And then salt. Also pinch of salt, which is half of this also.
Okay.
Okay.
How many grams this? 450. 450.
This one, it's 500.
This half.
Yeah. You see,
Okay.
it's melt. You see,
Nice.
all mixed. It's in one.
Now, in
The
Instagram.
milk is in different. The chopped spinach. Chopped spinach, you remember how many grams? 250.
250.
Yeah. It's half of the thing. Okay.
Okay.
Then you start mixing. Slow. So you just need to break the lumps.